hey there, chat. You ever wonder how you can build credit when you don't have a credit history? It's kind of like trying to get a job, but they ask for experience and you have no idea what you're doing. Well, hi, my name is Manatee Outlaw. Yes, I am old enough to be your father, but no, don't call me daddy. It's getting a little bit weird at the YMCA. Today, we're going to talk about the secret way for you to build credit when you don't have any. Come on, let's go. If your income is spotty, maybe you work a couple jobs, maybe you're door dashing, and nobody's going to give you a shot. Well, that's why you need something called a secured credit card. Secured credit cards don't require credit scores because you're paying the entire balance up front. What you do is you go to either a student credit card or like Discover. Discover will basically take anyone, and you say, I want to open up a first line of credit. I'd like to buy a secured credit card. I'd like to start building it. They'll say, great, how much money do you want to put down? Because what you're doing is you are prepaying your entire credit card balance. Yes, that does mean that you're giving the credit card company an unsecured loan for like a year. It is what it is. You just have to do it. You only have to do it once, so don't worry about it. Rates, or I guess deposits, can be as low as $25 and as high as $500. It's whatever you want to do. When I was starting and I was a tiny little blue wolf man, still tired and world weary back in college, I started building credit with only a $150 credit balance because I'm a poor college student. You give them the money. They then say, great, you have a credit balance. You may charge up to $130 because they're going to keep a little bit of profit for themselves in case you walk. Do exactly what I said in the last video. Buy small, pay off, do that for a few months. Like, it's totally fine. Buy your Zins or your whatever the hell it is you kids do. Do that for a few months, call them up again, say, hey, I'd like to increase my credit limit. They will look at your payment history and say, okay, you can put more money down. Sometimes they'll say, we'll do a little bit of a hybrid. Here's like $50 of pure credit. Or they may give you the full balance of what you originally deposited and say, okay, now we're going to be break even if you decide to walk. This process will take roughly a year. Now go and research. Some banks are going to be different depending upon how much you put down. Things can change. This process is going to take 6 months to a year. But what it will do is it will give you credit history that allows the banks to establish some sort of score. Then you can start credit card stacking, which is what we've talked about in the last one. You can start building your credit that way. A secured credit card is the way to go if you ever want to start building credit and you have none to speak of. My name's Manatee Outlaw. Our videos are all like this. They're helpful. I'm trying to be dad, so I'm trying to also grow. If you found this was useful, like, share, follow, subscribe, hit the bell. I'm not so sure, I'm being held, against my will for this tiki-talkie. So just share, help me get to 10 million followers? I don't know, what's good for that? You tell me, son, you tell me.